a gig to turn bags into cash in those rough financial times.
Good morning, guys. It is dark out here. It is 6:16 a.m. I'm on my way to get some water. Get an oil change, and then we're going to pick up a poplin order. So come along with me. Okay guys, we're getting ready to pull up to the Nissan dealership. And I know it's dark out here. It's only 6:30 in the morning. Oh, it's one. Guys, I know it's mighty dark, but I'm here at the Nissan dealership to get an oil change. It was only one other person here before me. What's that? I got a text or something. One other car before me and one pulled up with me. And they open at 7 in the morning, so I guess all of us was thinking the same thing, to get here early before the crowd get here. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wait until they open the doors. Okay guys, now we're on our way to pick up the laundry. I didn't think it was gonna take this long. 2 hours? Okay guys, I picked up the laundry, and this laundry you have to deliver back by 8 p.m. as you can see. So I'm gonna go start on this laundry. It's been a busy day. I just left getting my oil change, and they also said I need a tire, which I do remember about 2 weeks ago, the gentleman said I needed a tire when I went somewhere else, but I had some time to change it. But one of my tires, it's a 2, and it has to be changed today because I'm going out of town. The day is Friday. We're leaving early Monday morning, and I have to do 12 hours tomorrow. They are closed on Sunday, so the only day I can do it is today. So he went on and ordered my tire, and I'll come back today at 3. So I'm hoping and praying that I can get this laundry done, because I don't, before I have to bring it back at 8, because I don't want to have to go to a laundromat and spend money on this laundry. So I'm gonna just go ahead and pray that I can get as much done as I can. So let's go. I'm back at the house, and I'm about to start this load, and they just want regular detergent. So first thing I do, like I always say, I pull out my gloves, start the water, the wash machine, so the water can start. I'm sorry it's dark in here, the lighting is not good. And then this is the detergent that I always use. So like I said, I'm gonna try to go ahead and I'm so sorry about the lighting. I'm gonna try to go ahead. I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more lighting. Let's go over here. Let's see. Like I said, I'm gonna try to go ahead and finish out this close before I have to go back at 3 o'clock to get my tire on my car. So I'm gonna pray that everything work out. So once I finish my tire, I can just go ahead and drop this laundry off and call it a day. All right, guys. I just finished getting my tire because I had to come back because they didn't have it when I came earlier to get my oil change. So hopefully, let me get out of here. They didn't have my tire ready, so I had to come back. So now we're on our way to drop off this laundry, and then I need to stop by the store and get a couple of items. But I got a taste of some ice cream, so I think I'm gonna stop at Dairy Queen and get me some ice cream. I know it's cold out here, but I want me some ice cream. But anyway, we're going to drop off this laundry first. order complete. All right, guys, it's gotten dark outside, so right now I'm getting ready to go over here. The shopping center is right here, where I'm gonna go and get me some ice cream. I know it's cold, but I want me some ice cream. And then I'm gonna stop at this grocery store over here also and get some milk and eggs. So let's go get some ice cream. Cold as it is, I want me some ice cream. I know.
Alright, order when you're ready.
I would like a chocolate dip cone, double, 2 scoops.
I'm so sorry. We have soft serve.
Yeah, the soft
Two.
serve. Y'all
The
have
sizes?
2 sizes, right?
We have kids, small, medium, or large.
Okay, large.
Large. Here's chocolate dip.
Yes,
Gotcha. And that's vanilla dip and chocolate.
yes.
Gotcha. Anything else I can get you?
No, that'll be all.
Alright, your total's $5.66. Would you like to round up to 6 for CHPD?
That's fine.
Alright, thank you for your donation. You can pull forward.
Okay. Always round up. Come on. Park right on over here. To enjoy my ice cream. I got a large, which looks like a medium chocolate dip ice cream, if you guys can see it. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna enjoy this ice cream. There's no need to go home because this grocery store is right here, and I need to get about 4 or 5 items at the grocery store. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna close the video out now. You guys be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.